Okay, today's bag is for all of the Chanel lovers. Would you just look at that? This is a thing of beauty. It is just stunning, beautiful, gorgeous, spectacular, and in excellent condition throughout. It really is beautiful. So it's got an adjustable strap, part chain and then leather. Okay, so I'm going to put it on first of all, then I'm going to talk through the features. So I'm about 5'4". I'm a UK size 8'10", so if you're looking for a crossbody, this works as a crossbody. Obviously it's adjustable, so you could have it longer than this, or you could have it shorter than this. You could go shorter if you wanted to have it as a shoulder bag. It comes with the Chanel dust bag and also the authentic card. And it's just got these most amazing eyelets on it. Really, really is just a beautiful, beautiful bag. So on the back, we've got this flat pocket there. Okay, and then let's, while we're on the outside, just spin you around so that you can see. It's beautiful. Can you see the Chanel here? And there. So we have of course got the flap closure with the C twist lock. Let's open that up. Okay, so let's show you that. So that still, I don't know if you can see that, it still has the protective plastic wrap on it. Okay, so we have got inside two sections. There's the main section here, which has got one zipped pocket. Again, the zip pull still has the plastic wrap on it. And then we've got this flap pocket. That is a magnetic Prested flap. And then we go into the pocket there, which you can see inside there. So the bag is in excellent condition throughout. The exterior is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition, and the hardware is in excellent condition. It is absolutely pristine. It is a beautiful, beautiful little piece of Chanel. So there is a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below this video, there's a link that will take you there, and on there is our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets. Whilst you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter. We'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It's really worth getting that done. Even if this isn't going to be your first purchase, sign up while you're there and get your discount code ready. I've also put a link to our Instagram in the comments below. So Instagram has a bit more of what's going on with Armcandy World, what's going on behind the scenes, what bags are coming in, what's going on with the team, what's happening at HQ. So if you're interested in what's going on, come and join us on Instagram. And to all of our subscribers to this channel, thank you. We really are delighted to have you on board. If you're watching this and you haven't yet subscribed, let me just explain who we are. We are a pre-owned luxury bag seller. This is our HQ, this is our flagship store, but we're also online, so you can shop. We do worldwide shipping, so you can shop our bags from anywhere in the world. And all of our bags are on the website have a video like this, a description and features and quality video, so you can see exactly what you're getting. So if you subscribe to this channel and set up your alerts, it means that you will always get to know when our bags are coming in and what there is and what it is that you want to look for. So it's well worth it if bags are your thing. It's subscribing to this channel. And then who knows, your dream bag could be the bag that comes in next.